Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. And here we have the Jaguar XF. It's on a 17 plate, as you can see. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it. From the outside you can see that it's a 4-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the vehicle's boot area first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors and plenty of boot space as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in. And as I mentioned, we'll run through some of the controls from there. Now that we've done a full circle of it though, you can see firstly the alloy wheels are in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the entire way around the vehicle. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the speedometer. On the right-hand side, the rev counter. In the centre, you can see the total miles for the car. They are 62,205. We have the fuel gauge, the coolant temperature gauge, the trip computer. You can change the information displayed in this central section for lots of different menus, as you can see. And that is all done with the buttons just here. We have our phone controls. Over on the right hand side we have cruise control and speed limiter. Behind the steering wheel, the minus and plus pedal, so you can change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox. Into the centre next, the main touchscreen for the car. So firstly, you can access your home screen with the push of this button, and you can see we have a few physical buttons. After that, you can use the touchscreen for basically everything, including, of course, your audio options. So DAB, FM and AM radio, auxiliary input as well. Once you pair up your phone, you're able to make and receive phone calls and stream your music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio. We have satellite navigation. Really nice, clear colour display. It's a very easy system to use. And you can see there it says climate control. So what you can do here is control the direction the air is being distributed in once it enters the car. The rest of the controls we'll come to in just a moment. You can also control your heated driver and passenger seat. Both seats have 3 separate heat settings each and can be turned fully off from there also. From the home screen you can then swipe across for various other menus, and if you put the vehicle in reverse, we've got a full colour reversing camera, as you can see. So your physical controls for your heating are down here. So you can adjust the driver and passenger temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. If I was to push the button for the direction of the air or the heated seats, it will open up the options on the screen, which I showed you just a moment ago. This button turns your air conditioning off in this case, back on again. If you hit auto, the car will take full control of everything for you to maintain the temperatures that you have asked for, and you can override that manually whenever you wish to. Main volume for your stereo is just here. This is where you start and stop the engine itself. Just need to make sure the key is in the vehicle with you. That's your gear selector, so you can see there the different gears that are available. When you switch the ignition off, this will lower so that it sits flush to this central unit. We can turn off the stop and start, the traction control, and change the driving setup of the car from here as well. We have an electronic handbrake and 2 cup holders. The last thing I wanted to talk about is the paperwork we have for the vehicle. In the envelope here is the spare key, so 2 keys in total. The V5 registration document, of course. We have a whole host of service paperwork there, which we'd be more than happy to run through in a live video call or in person, of course. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.